Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in northern New York, eastern St. Lawrence County in northern New York, western Essex County in northern New York, until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of St. Lawrence State Park to Pierpont to near Lower Oswegatchie, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bryant Mill, Conifer, Wybeek, Gabriels, Pierpont, Bangor, West Stockholm, Ironton, Messina International Airport, Richards Field, Helena, Newton Falls, West Pierpont, Chasm Falls, Burke, Mora, Burke Center, Wanakina, Westville Center, and Burke Village. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official national